way. Oh my God.
Oh.
Whoa. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. A year and a half after giving birth to beautiful twins, Nicole Amesti tragically lost her husband Jim to colon cancer. Now, while their family and the entire community has been very supportive during this difficult time, Nicole still lacks the resources necessary for home improvement projects that will help her and her children cope and grow. All right.
Here we go.
Shall we?
We shall. Let's go home.
A lot of love went into this, all for you and the kids. Shall we?
We shall. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1. Are you ready, Nicole?
I'm ready to do it.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Wow. Really? Look at it. What? Oh my God. It seems so tiny up here and now it just seems huge. It's beyond anything that Jim and I would have ever thought to do and what we could have done on our own.
Right on the corner there is the Casada house, and we're gonna go surprise them and let them know they're being rescued. Unfortunately, their oldest son James was in a horrific car accident a few years ago and now is a quadriplegic. And the only way he's able to get around the house is in his wheelchair that he controls with his mouth.
James' accident happened in August of 2014. We all went out and then he left with 2 other friends and they got into a car accident.
When James went to the surgery room, the doctor didn't give us like a good chance that he's gonna even
Survive the
survive.
surgeries.
And the doctor told after the date of surgery that he's gonna be paralyzed for the rest of his life.
James is making a lot of progress, but the house is not meeting a lot of his needs.
All right, James, you want to see your bedroom?
I'm ready.
This is, I hope, the room you're looking for.
Wow.
James, this is you right here.
James, your bed!
Oh.
Bed! It was a nice surprise when I saw the bed on the room.
You know, as soon as you open the doors, I already knew it was gonna be something. It was just gonna be a game changer. Like, I never envisioned it to look like that.
Abby's been diagnosed with cerebral palsy, I would say at the age of 3.
We have to carry her everywhere.
I had to makeshift a bed for her, so we have to lift her up over the thing.
It's difficult. It's very difficult.
You want to see your room? What makes you think I did anything in your room? Ready? You want to see your room, my little princess?
Oh my God! Oh my! It says Princess Abby.
Oh my God! Unbelievable!
Yay!
Holy Abby, look at this!
Look at your bed.
You got a big girl bed!
And
Isn't
this
that so
comes
pretty?
up.
That's to save Mom and Dad's back. 9 months into his deployment, Tyler suffered life-threatening injuries in a horrific accident on the Iraqi border in Kuwait.
I do not remember the day I got hurt, but I do remember the day I woke up from my coma.
Tyler wasn't expected to regain consciousness, but with great strength and support, he woke up. While this was nothing short of a miracle, defying the odds introduced countless other obstacles.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's beyond beautiful. I am so blown away, I can't even think of any words to describe it.
We know how much music means to you, so we wanted to take those posters from different concerts and different events that you'd been to.
What made it feel like my room was all unique and individualized to me.
Stroop, this is for you, my friend. Place.
Come on, buddy.
You make it your own.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh my God.
The shower, there's no lips. It's easy to walk into. He can sit down if he's not having a good day.
Oh, I like that.
So that's your call sign, right?
Yes, that was my call sign. My call sign was Nomad 37. This is just phenomenal.
When I walk into my room, I envision a hospital bed, an oxygen tank, me telling Darren it's going to be okay, and it's time to go, and him taking his last breath.
I would love to see have a complete new start, just a new start. Fresh, airy, colorful.
I would like to feel safe, comforted, a sense of peace. I would like my children to feel that they're starting over in a happy place.
They can go in the same time.
Same time.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
We walked into Emma's room first. Her eyes just opened up and the smile on her face was just breathtaking. And then to walk into Noah's room and want to show me his new bed and the pictures are up. The look on their faces tells it all, and you can't buy that. Are you happy? Oh my goodness.
When we went upstairs, I just took a glance and I couldn't go in there because the kids were so happy. I had to get myself together. I got no words.
You deserve, you've been through so much.
I love you. I love you. I love you. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my
It's okay.
God.
It's okay.
We have to go forward, and we will go forward, but we're going to go forward with all newness, with all new love. It's rebuilding the love that we have on top. Oh my God!
You deserve it.
When I first walked into the room, it was very overwhelming.
This is gorgeous.
There's a warmth, there's a comfort, there's a lot of love that was brought into this room that you can feel as soon as you walk through the doors.
Oh my God. The shower's humongous.
And bathroom, I don't know how Michael did the bathroom.
And the ceiling in Stacy's room.
Oh, the
Unbelievable.
Now Herman was hands-on. He was a DIY master, but unfortunately, when he passed, he left behind a lot of unfinished projects. You want to go see the bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready?
No way. Oh my God. Oh my. This is
That's wait, whoa.
mind blowing. Oh my God.
Oh, that looks so good.
Look at the guitar.
That looks so good
The windows. There's more windows.
There's more windows.
I was wondering, I was like, when are they gonna go?
There's so much light in here.
Mom.
Oh, look at the side tables. Oh, look how beautiful. You're not supposed to make me cry. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's so amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is just incredible, George. I have no words. I have no words.
We are right now in Mamaroneck, New York, home of John and Amy and Chase Stellwagen. We're here to surprise them because they epitomize what George Rescue is all about. They have come to the rescue of their nieces, Gabby, Reagan, and Riley, who were orphaned when their mother passed away. John and Amy are rescuing these little girls, but they need help. They have a two-family home, and they live on the first floor. The whole second floor is a whole separate apartment. Why don't you guys go in?
coming in and to see the girls' reaction and to hear the reaction to each individual aspect of the room, and George and Andrew, it's insane what they did. I could never imagine merging unicorns and a beach together.
They nailed it.
Look at my wall!
My favorite part has to be like seeing the girls happy. The expression on each and every one of their faces.
Could not have been more perfect for all of them.
It's unbelievable.
It makes me feel like I'm actually in Paris and that that's my room now. Look at my bedroom!
What do you think?
Look at my unicorn! I love it! It feels like home.
Alex is a former high school athlete and has had a long-time passion for my favorite sport, skiing. Several months ago, Alex was enjoying a day on the slopes when his parents received a chilling call that he'd been in a terrible accident.
I woke up and I was in a hospital. At first I realized I had my hands and my fingers, but then I kind of knew something was off because I didn't have my normal feeling. And that's when the doctor informed me that I was paralyzed from my chest down.
Since the accident, Alex's loved ones have been by his side. But now that he's wheelchair bound, he needs a home that gives him the independence he requires.
Oh, what? Wow, this is absolutely amazing.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
George, did you do this?
I did that. Well, with Chastity, I heard that your favorite mountain to ski is Snowmass. That is an aspen from Snowmass that was sliced up and sent out here.
How did you pull that off?
It's crazy that you guys just incorporated everything that I love inside the perfect room. It's swag, and I'm all about swag. Wow.
Oh my God.
So beautiful.
This is regal.
This is crazy. When I first saw the bathroom, my jaw dropped. I mean, the fact that I could easily transfer to the shower, and it's something that I know I'll be able to do all by myself. You're good at what you do. I try.
It's such a difficult situation when you have a child who is going through such pain. And to see him uplifted by this team of people, it's just, there are no words.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.